Hello, dear viewers. As earlier, I have uploaded my presentation on topic of inclined Pisa Tower on my YouTube channel. Since since then I was a little bit busy, and now I'm uploading the other presentation on topic of Great China Wall, its construction, its prescriptions, its qualities, and all other related topics. So, hope you will go through my presentation, and first on my first slide you will go through my introduction. Thank you. Viewers, as I've already discussed in my slide number one, that I uh, I have created my two YouTube channels. In one of the YouTube channel, I am uploading the lectures purely related to the civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical, and HVAC engineering. In this channel, I am uploading my lectures and my presentations on general topics. So in this section, I request you to please subscribe, like, and share my channel to the people in your contact, for which I will be much thankful to you. The link is as below in this slide number 2. Thank you very, very much. Dear viewers, we will start now studying the history of Great China Wall. The Great China Wall, the Great China Wall construction was started in 7th century. The earlier wall was first built in 2021 to 4075 BC, when it was the time of in fact the conflicts of fragmentation in ancient China, characterized by the struggle among the various states for dominance on each other. From period 221 to 475 BC, by various states to defend against the invasion of nomadic tribes. So this was the reason to build the Great China Wall. The Qin dynasty 221 to 206 BC was the first imperial dynasty China under Emperor Qin Shi Huang, who marked the significant of turning point and in China history. After unifying China, Qin Huang ordered the connection of existing wall and the construction of new wall. So this was the period when the new wall was started on construction. Dear viewers, you can read the dynasties came into being in China on different periods. So I will just briefly read the names of the dynasties and the period of the dynasties. Han dynasty was from 206 BC to 220 AD. Sui and Tang dynasty was 581 to 907 AD. Shang dynasty was for a long time but could not progress the China Wall. Tang dynasty again came into being from 916 to 1279 AD. Ming dynasty came into being in 1368 till 1644 AD. Post-era Ming dynasty The post-era Ming dynasty often referred as period following the fall of Ming dynasty in 1644 up to the 17th century onwards. So these are the names of the dynasties and the periods of the dynasties. But during that period, there were so many cultural, economical, tech, and technological advancement in different dynasties, and there were political clashes between each other sometimes. Viewers, the Great China Wall is uh, became symbolized by the World Heritage since 1987 due to its qualities and recognized as UNESCO also and World Health Heritage States. Tourism, as far as the tourism is concerned, today Wall is a major tourist attraction. The people all over the world are visiting this wall and enjoying there. Preservation efforts, ongoing efforts aim to preserve and restore the section of walls because deterioration is happening in wall, so they have to balance the tourism and historical integrity. That's why the Chinese are preserving this wall and taking care of the wall. So you read all the slides. I am just briefly describing each and every slide. Viewers, we have to discuss about the material used in construction of Great China Wall. The material used to construct the wall was as available as per the locations of during the construction of the wall. Earlier wall, pre-Ming dynasty, the rammed earth was used. It was often built using packed earth and wood, which was abundant and relatively easy to construct the construction of the wall. Stones were also used whenever the stones were and wherever the stones were available in regions. Wood was also used in different section of the wall. Wooden planks and wooden props were used for temporary fortification. So all these materials were used during the construction of Great China Wall. Further to the slide number 6, we will again discuss few more materials used in Great China Wall. During the Ming Dynasty, much of the existing wall today, construction techniques were improved significantly. Bricks and fire bricks were used extensively, providing strength and durability. The durability was considered more in construction of the Great China Wall. That's why it is still existing till date. Stones were also used, as we discussed in previous slides. Also, stone blocks were utilized. Mortar, the lime mortar, cement mortar, and sand mortar was also used in brickworks. The roof tiles were sometimes used for watchtowers and fortifications. The Ming construction is characterized by its robust materials and intricate design, making it the most recognizable section of the Great Wall today. So these materials were used in construction of Great China Wall. In slide number 8, we will discuss the common properties of the Great China Wall. The wall stretches, or is the length of the wall is about 13,000 miles. about 21,196 kilometers, making it one of the longest man-made construction and structure in the world. Advanced techniques were used from time to time, including the use of mortar, arches, watchtowers for better visibility and defense purposes. The wall varies in height to about 15 to 30 feet, about 4.5 to 9 meters tall. The numerous watchtowers and fortress were built along the wall, used by the significant for the surveillance and housing troops in that wall behind that. So it was a defense from the defense point of view, also having the qualities. Further to slide number 8, in slide number 9 also we will discuss about some of the properties of Great China Wall. The symbolized China Wall, the strength and resilience Chinese civilization, and it was recognized by UNESCO World Health Heritage Site due to its historical and cultural value. The wall is traversed diverse terrain including mountains, deserts and plains, showing remarkable adaptability to the landscape. Its design was not just for physical defense, it includes the strategic features like zigzag to make the enemy's fool. Despite the passing of time, many sections of the wall remain standing with ongoing restoration. These properties makes the Great Wall a significant architectural achievement and endearment of the symbol of Chinese heritage. So these are the qualities of the Great China Wall. In slide number 10, viewers, because the wear and tear and deterioration was happening to the China Wall, how the Chinese maintained this wall we will discuss in this slide, and you can see in picture also that there is a lot of deterioration and wear and tear in China Wall, which was being repaired later on. Restoration often employed traditional methods and materials meant to maintain the wall's historical integrity. To minimize the damage, visitors' access to the regulated certain sections which may be closed from time to time for the maintenance. Ongoing research helped the document of walls, conditions and history guiding restoration efforts. Common communities. The nearby communities are also involved in preservation efforts of these China walls. Efforts are made to protect the natural environmental around the wall as erosion and natural factors can affect its durability and stability. So the continuous process is going on for the maintenance of Great China Wall. Viewers, as you know very well that Great China Wall is much more attractive than any other heritage or cultural locations in China. So the people are visiting the China Great Wall, and recently the numbers are much higher due to its popular destination as due to cultural and heritage structure. More and more visitors are visiting China Great Wall. Dear viewers, as regards to the visitors visiting the Great China Wall, It is the most attractive location and place in China because of its height, its length, and its popular destination due to the cultural and heritage structure. More and more visitors are visiting China Great Wall. The estimated visitors per year is about 10 million visitors. So this is all about the China Great Wall. Thank you very much. In slide number 12, as usual, I always thanks my viewers to go through the slides, the pictures, and my recording audio or video recording. So I request once again all the viewers to please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share my channel to as many as people in your contact, so that I must be encouraged. And the link of my YouTube channel is as under you can see in slide number 12. So I hope that all the viewers will subscribe my channel, share my channel to as many as people in your contacts. Also, I request you to please feel free if you want any of the topics to be included in my lectures or presentation. Please write back to me. My Gmail ID is ghabedi@gmail.com, and my contact number is in Pakistan is 923331214046. So I would like to appreciate and request you to please give your comments and feedback, which is very, very valuable for me. Thank you very much.